This one right here was a crazy find. You got Tekashi 6ix9ine also being Doja Cat. All these fake beefs that be occurring, it's all staged. All of it. All these celebrities are in on it. Anyone in entertainment business, they're all in on it. And y'all want to know the truth as to why I'm making so many videos? Because I don't have long here on this earth. I just want to make as many videos as possible for whatever happens, happen. Let's get into the video. Tekashi 6ix9ine being Doja Cat. These one of the ones that threw me off guard. But when I seen the side-by-side pictures on Google, it was undeniable proof, as well as the gematria that I've done. And I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not a good person at all. I did some things where I don't think it could be forgiven. But it led me to finding out what's really going on this planet. You know what they call planet? All that's been planned. And this is like a net. You're trapped in a net. We're trapped here on this hell realm, this earth. And we must escape. And see, they even made a song called 34 plus 35, which is 69. With Doja Cat being in the song. Truth in plain sight. I can see a slight resemblance in them as well. In Doja Cat and Tekashi 6ix9ine. Wow, man. You have Tekashi 6ix9ine being born in May. And you have Doja Cat being born in October. About a 5-month difference. Seems like most of them are always born 5 months after or before. When I did the gematria, when I typed in Doja Cat, I got 21 in Chaldean. And when I typed in Tekashi, I got 21 also in Chaldean. When I typed in Tekashi, I got 28 in full reduction. And when I typed in Doja Cat, I got 28 in keypad. The numbers do not lie.